Thank you for watching another episode of Stallonis Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. I'm Mrs. Stallonis Reviews, and today we are building and reviewing the Frog Blocks by Zillin Toys. So I'm sure as most of you will recognize, well, it's just called Frog Blocks. It pretty much looks like Kermit the Frog from the Muppet movie when he had his banjo along. So I'm going to go ahead and just open it. Oh, it looks like he sits as well as stands. That's good. Oh, and he's got a conductor baton too for when he's doing the Muppet Show. Okay, here's the Frog Blocks directions. It says 499 pieces. The bags are numbered. Take a look at the directions, see how those work out in here. Got a nice scale guide there. Okay, so the bags that are labeled 1 go for the bottom part of the body. The bags that are labeled 2 are going to be the head and the banjo. It looks like there are... Oh, and the microphone. Looks like there's going to be about 34 pages. Well, this is going to be fun. I've always been a Muppet fan, particularly of Kermit the Frog. So I'm going to go ahead and get this built on camera, and then we'll give it a quick review and let you know how it goes. Alright, so we have finished the build, and it was a lot of fun. The hardest part actually was that the whole first part, everything was the same green color except for these yellow, which made it very difficult to find the right pieces and made it a longer build than I expected. I expected about an hour. It was more like an hour and a half, 2 hours. But I was mostly just searching for pieces. He's extremely posable. All of the pieces fit together really well and are easy to do, including the ball joints, which is nice. I'm not a big fan usually of ball joints. Let me shift the camera just a little bit so you can see him when he's standing. You will have seen pictures of him with his special conductor's hand. Instead of the banjo, and then he's got the microphone. Interestingly, you built the banjo before the head because it was the easiest way to get it on him, but you can detach the pieces so you can take it on and off later. It was extremely fun. The pieces all fit together really well. It was not a difficult build. I was a little nervous again about the ball joints, but they worked just fine. I felt like this was really a build that I would definitely be willing to do again, and I really wish I could get the other members of the Muppet crew. Thank you again for watching this episode of Stallonis Reviews. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Stallonis Reviews. I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and I hope this will help you decide what you would like to build next.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, And one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.